the road. Like the things you found in love, or by the way you like to cheat on your soul. Like the best and worst of thoughts that lose control before you lie on your bed. It's more or less the same as the things that you say.